Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a milk cake which I made for the last Children's Day. And it is totally free of maida, oil, butter, milk, baking powder and baking soda. Still it is very soft. So let's see how I made it. Into a sieve I'm adding 3/4 cup of oats flour. First I'm adding half cup, next 1/4 cup. So total 3/4 cup. Into this I'm adding a pinch of salt. And I'm going to sift this 3 times. Into another bowl, I'm adding 3 eggs and the egg should be in room temperature. At this time, I'm going to preheat my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Into this, I'm adding half teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. I'm going to beat this until the eggs are frothy. The eggs are frothy now. At this time, I'm going to add the sugar. This is half cup of sugar which I'm adding gradually and beat it. The sugar I'm using is unrefined organic sugar. If you want to buy this sugar, the link I will give in the description box. You just click on that, you can buy this. See, now the eggs came to a really nice silky consistency. Exactly we need this consistency because we are not adding any baking soda and baking powder. We have to beat the egg until this consistency, until we get this consistency. I beat around 5 minutes, then I got this. Adding the oats flour mix into the batter. I'm adding this in 2 portions. First add half, gently fold this into the batter in one direction. Do not over mix it. After that add the remaining and gently fold it. Now I am transferring the batter into a baking tray. This is 8 by 8 inch glass baking tray. I greased with oil and I lined with butter paper. Pour the batter into this. You can see the consistency of the batter. This is called ribbon consistency. We need exactly this consistency. The final cake will be in this tray only because we are going to soak the cake with the milk mixture. Now tap it for a couple of times to release the extra air bubbles and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes you can see the cake is perfectly baked. The skewer inserted in the center also came out clean. You can see nothing is sticking on the skewer. Now we will keep this aside. We will make the milk mixture. Into a bowl I am adding half cup normal milk, half cup condensed milk and half cup fresh cream. Here I am using Amul fresh cream. Mix everything together until it is well combined. Now we are going to soak the cake. Before that, just remove the butter paper, then we will soak it. Put it in the same tray. Now just make some holes in the cake with a fork because we are going to soak the cake with the milk mixture. Now we will soak the cake with the milk mixture. With a spoon, pour the mixture everywhere along with all the corners on top everywhere. We have to soak it fully. The cake is still warm but it is okay. After this, we are going to refrigerate this for 2 hours. Meanwhile, I'm going to make the frosting for the cake. We are going to frost the cake only on top. Into a chilled bowl, I'm adding half cup of whipping cream and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. My whipping cream is unsweetened one, so I'm using the powdered sugar. Instead of powdered sugar, you can use icing sugar also. If you have a sweetened one, just directly you can whip it. I have just added some ice cubes into another bowl and I'm keeping under this bowl and I'm going to beat it. We have to beat it until we get the stiff peaks. Now the cream came to a stiff consistency. You can see it is stiff now. Exactly I beat for 5 minutes. In my beating machine, third is the highest speed, so I put in the third speed and beat it. I'm transferring some cream into a piping bag. This is the nozzle I'm using for the decoration. I'm going to keep both the piping bag and the whipped cream in the fridge. Don't ever keep it outside because the whipped cream may start melting if you keep it outside. So after you whip the cream, always store in the fridge. After 2 hours, the cake is chilled properly. I'm going to do the frosting. I'm adding the full frosting which is there in the bowl. Only the piping bag is there in the fridge that I will do all the decoration. Spread it evenly with a spatula. Now we will keep this in the freezer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can spread it little more neatly. Every time you clean the spatula, then spread it so that we can spread it evenly and we will get a neat and flat surface. Clean the sides with a tissue paper. Now I am writing Happy Children's Day. I have added 2 tablespoons of Nutella into a piping bag and I gave a small cut at the tip. And I am writing it. I am not good at writing, so please excuse. And I am just making a flower design on the border. So that's it, my oats flour milk cake is ready. I have just decorated with some choco chips and some sprinkles. So this is the one. So do try this at home and see how it is. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for the future notification. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.